Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a full glam makeup. I know there has been requests coming in for me to do so, but I couldn't because technically not everyone knows anything about makeup sometimes. I'm not saying that's me. So I'm going to be doing a full glam of makeup, and you guys gonna be able to rate it. I'm doing it with my sister, obviously. She's the one who's gonna be doing the makeup, but as usual she doesn't want to be in the video. So we got everything set up. So see, I'm gonna be doing all of this. I don't know how any of them are called, by the way. Don't tell anyone that, but that's what we're going to be doing today. As you can see, everything is actually messy. We're going to start doing this, like, I know, right? I don't know most of the things up in here anyway, but I'm doing it for you guys. So I hope that counts as something. And you know, this quarantine has been really hard on everyone. I know that. So obviously, that's all at the moment. But how are you guys been? How is everything right there right now? So rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. There is no rain. It is what it is. I know. So guys, I'm doing this today, as you can see. So I'm doing that today. As for, you know what I mean? Actually, even I don't know what that means, but okay. So one of my grandfathers actually got married to a Chinese woman. I found that out on Ancestry, but
and you're gonna watch it today, okay?
No, I naturally don't want to watch Elena Holmes yet. I know it's new, obviously, but
you're missing out then.
I actually want to wait, because when I finish watching it, if I actually like it, I'm going to keep repeating it, and I want to watch the rest of TVD to finish with, so I can't be obsessing over two things at the same time. Love it.
That's just the most Kardashian thing you've did in your whole life.
Oh my god. Wait, really?
Yeah, but when they get in their makeup done, Kylie goes, love this.
I really love this.
Looks really nice.
Thank you.
You just did the most Kardashian fit again.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm trying so hard not to be that. My eyebrows, I think, is like the longest part of my body that actually takes time to regrow. Do you remember the last time I actually cut it? It took time before I actually grew again. So I'm not risking that. Oh, I can be X and then just shave all of my eyebrows off.
You did the color wish.
Like, hey, what did you do? I'll be like, how I told me to.
No.
And then she'll be like, if she tell you to actually put your hand in fire, would you do it? I'll be like, if I was deaf. Because then I wouldn't hear what you're saying. I would just hear you say like, go, go, like hand gestures. So I'll do that.
I'm gonna cut your crease next. Cause it's like the...
My crease. What the hell is that?
Oh my days. So uneducated.
That is not a way to see. Do you know how much people are watching this? Well, naturally, what is a crease?
This bit of your eye. That goes in.
Oh.
When you put where your skull and your eye separate in the middle there. You cut it.
I feel if makeup was a subject, I'd definitely get a U on it.
That's why it's not.
I think an F, because I at least know what primer is my favorite thing. And highlighter. I mean, highlight is my highlighter. Oh, that's such a nerd thing to say. I mean, like, if highlight is my favorite thing to do. Like, I naturally do highlight even if I don't have any foundation on. I mean, I actually bought an oil that actually has glitter in it so I can just highlight. That's the most favorite thing of mine in makeup. As you can see, guys, she caught my crease. See, it's finally, I think, slowly coming together. Like, I love it. I actually do.
Now I'm gonna set it.
Oh, this is giving me such a rain on me vibe. I think.
I guess.
No, it's really beautiful how I actually naturally really love it.
You should.
Ratatata. It's finally coming together, guys. You'll see this. Where is my bag? I wish college was open so I can actually take this thing. So I don't think I'm going to remove this while going to bed. I'm just going to sleep with it. That's how much this deserves. Oh my god. And the eyelash just brings us so much together. I mean, let's be honest. This or this. Period.
You hyped me up too much.
No, I'm not actually joking. Like, this or this. I mean, I know this one is a black color, let's be honest. It's so good. There's lightning. I mean, I'm not trying to be
You sound so passionate.
No,
black and white go together.
You actually do, but look at this though. It's actually really nice.
I'm gonna carve out your eyebrows once more.
Okay. Like, I actually know what that means, but I'm just gonna pretend I know what that means. Yeah, carve it out. What are you carving out?
I don't know why I'm whispering, but I feel the need to whisper every time I do so.
Yeah, I know, right? I'm gonna try ASMR, although my one will be like, hey, how are you doing tonight? Can't you sleep without my sound? I mean, just sleep. Don't you have something you have to meet tomorrow? Why do you have to listen to this? It sounds like mommy is actually listening to, like, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. That's what she's listening to. Touch.
That is the song.
Yeah, I know.
Why is mom listening to that?
Because she's on the phone, probably I play like.
Oh, that one lash that won't listen. Stop it.
I can't get over this. I'm in love. I'm in love with the makeup. I'm in love with this makeup. I'm never gonna take it off. Literally, I'm not lying. I'm not gonna do it.
Let's not listen. This matches you. Like so much. Like you won't even notice it's on, but it is.
Yeah. My skin is naturally glowing today. That primer needs to come to my hand. I'm naturally gonna ask Mom to actually get it for me.
I can give you it.
You can?
Yeah.
Wait, really?
Yeah, because this one works better for me than that does. That makes my skin look weird.
Thank you. I'm still gonna ask Mom for more. It's actually very good. It's illuminating. Priming by like, see, best primer ever. I should love it. Have you realized most of our makeup are from Revolution?
Yeah, because where Mom works is actually sponsored.
Yeah. I think Mom's talking to Auntie Uruguay.
Every single day. Who gave them each other's number?
Us black people, when it take a long time you haven't spoken to someone, when you guys start talking, hey, that's a whole week. Hey, my sister, it has been a long time I haven't talked to you now. Let's speak. And then just start speaking about just whatever happened. Like, when it's been 10 years, do you want to actually give everything that you've done in that 10 years in one conversation? It's better if you actually write it to me. I would say, like, email me with all details.
I like your nose.
Thank you. I feel like a real makeup artist will love me.
Why?
Because I naturally close my eyes during all the time. The others they'll be like, I need to post this on my Instagram. Like, I need a mirror. Like, I want to see myself. I want to be talking like. I wouldn't be like that. I would just be calm and let you do your perfection, and then later let me do mine. Guys, we're back. This is the final look. As you can see, this is amazing. Thank you, Howard. This is so beautiful. I can't get over it. Like, look at this. The eyebrows, the eyelashes. Oh my god. I'm so in love with myself right now. I can't stop staring at myself. Hey, I'm definitely not washing my face today. But seriously, this is the best look yet that I've actually done, and then this is just beautiful. I can't get over it. This actually looks good. So guys, that was all for today. I hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay? And don't forget to follow my sister on Instagram. And if you want to do anything with her, please let me know or message her. Every information will be down below. Okay? Thank you. Bye. Till next time.